Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you why I bought a John Deere 318. But this thing is a mess, so let's get it cleaned up first. The John Deere 318 was a garden tractor that was produced by John Deere from 1983 to 1992. So why is a tractor that's over 30 years old still so popular today? Well, a lot of that has to do with this Onan power plant. It is super reliable. The early models came with the B43G, but that was upgraded to the P218 in 1986, which added electronic ignition and some changes to the starter. Both engines produced a respectable 18 horsepower. This power was delivered to the rear wheels through a shaft-driven, hand-controlled hydrostatic transmission. On top of the reliable drivetrain, there are no tractors in today's market that can compare to the features of the 318, at least not at the similar price point. This tractor has 2 sets of hydraulic connections up in the front to power an assortment of attachments, and we'll get to all those attachments later. It also has a split brakes to assist with sharp turns and to control power to the tire that is getting the most traction. The 318 also has hydro lift and lower deck, which is really handy. You don't have to work out your arms lifting and lowering that deck. I don't have one on this tractor, but you can add a 3-point hitch, and there's also an optional 2000 RPM rear PTO to really extend your attachment options even further. And perhaps the biggest reason for choosing the 318 over similar tractors like a 300 or a 317 is the power steering. When the front end of this tractor is loaded down with a blade or a snowblower, that power steering really comes in handy, and it's almost necessary. Also, with this tractor being a hand control drive, the power steering makes one-handed steering effortless. Now let's talk attachments. There are 3 different mid-mount mowers that you could get for this. This one is the 50-inch deck. You could get a 38-inch and also a 46-inch. And then eventually they offered the 48-inch replacement deck, which was really nice. 2 front mount snowblower options were available. There was a single stage 46-inch model that I have shown right here. And then there was this dual stage 47-inch monster. One of the attachments that I'm on the hunt for, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video so you can help me get it, is the John Deere 44 loader. This loader has a 400-pound capacity when it's attached to the 318, and that would be a huge help around my property. If you add the 3-point hitch on the back, you have a couple of tiller options also. One of them being this 30-inch hydraulic unit, which has a pump that is ran off the mule drive from the mower deck. The last attachment I want to talk about is the 54 blade. This is my favorite attachment of the ones I currently own. It has 4-way hydraulic movement, so it can be lifted and lowered and angled left to right, all via the hand levers. And I'm sure there's something I missed, so let me know in the comments why you own your 318. And of course, nothing is without its downfalls, but with the 318, they're pretty minor. The motors can be prone to overheating if care isn't taken to keep grass and debris from clogging the cooling fins, but this is really avoidable by just remembering to clear the engine of debris every once in a while. Another downside to the whole 300 series of tractors is the hand-controlled transmission. I feel like a lot is being asked of my hands, while my right foot maybe pushes the brakes every once in a while, and my left foot is completely useless. Once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad, but it still can be annoying. Of course, these tractors are only getting older too, so it's becoming harder to find a well taken care of unit. But I really believe it's worth the search for a good one, and they are also definitely worth fixing up if you find one that needs some work. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, there's one more thing. These aren't as good as the 322 either. But luckily I got one of them too.